Wait, don't scroll. These 4 words will make your English bloom like spring. Let's learn some amazing words and how to use them. Word, bloom, meaning to grow or develop beautifully. Example, her confidence started to bloom after she practiced speaking daily. Word, ingredient, meaning one part that makes up something. Example, hard work is the main ingredient of success. Word, sprout, meaning to start growing or developing. Example, new ideas began to sprout in his mind. Word, patience, meaning the ability to stay calm and wait. Example, learning English takes patience, but it's worth it. Which word made your English sprout today? Comment below and follow for more amazing words.